Are you looking to earn a bonus just for helping your friends get into crypto on a trusted platform? If you're using Kraken, you're in luck, because their referral program is a straightforward way for both you and your friend to get rewarded. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use it to make sure we both get that bonus, quickly and cleanly. First, you need to know there are two main Kraken referral programs, one for the regular Kraken app and another for the Kraken Pro app. The one I focus on is the standard Kraken app program, as it's generally easier for newcomers. The reward typically averages around $20 in BTC for both the referrer and the referred, but this can vary based on location and current promotions. Crucially, the process starts in the mobile app, and your friend must sign up there using your link or code. Step 1. Generating and sharing your link. Inside the Kraken app, I head to the top right corner and look for the gift icon or the invite friends option in the account settings. Tapping this generates my unique referral link and code. I always make sure to grab the link, as it simplifies the sign-up process for my friend. I then send this link to them directly, emphasizing they must use it to download the Kraken app and create their new account. No link, no reward, it's that simple. Step 2. The referees sign up and account activation. My friend's part is next. They use my link to download the app and complete their new account registration and essential verification steps. I always tell them to watch out, they cannot have had a Kraken account before. Duplicate accounts are disqualified. Step 3. Meeting the requirements. This is where many people miss out. To qualify for the bonus, my friend needs to complete 2 core actions within 30 days of signing up. Deposit fiat, cash. They must deposit a specified amount of fiat currency, like USD, Euro, or CAD, into their new Kraken account. The minimum required amount is clearly shown in their app, so I tell them to check that first. Trade crypto. They then need to make 1 or more crypto trades to reach a minimum total trading volume. Again, the exact volume is displayed in their app. The key thing I learned is to ensure they are not trading fiat to a stablecoin. They need to be buying non-stablecoin crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This trade must be done within the main Kraken app, not Kraken Pro, to count for this specific program. Converting or using a custom or recurring order in the main app works perfectly. Step 4. Tracking and receiving the reward. Once my friend has successfully deposited and traded the required amount, the work is done. They can track their progress directly on the referrals dashboard in the app. The bonus, typically that $20 worth of Bitcoin, is then deposited into both of our accounts. Kraken states this happens within 21 days of all conditions being met. That's the entire process, broken down into 4 clear steps. Focus on using the correct app, hitting the minimum deposit and trade volume with non-stable coins, and you'll secure the referral bonus for both of you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.